Hello aspirants. Do you know why the essay paper was introduced in the UPSC? It was definitely not for testing English proficiency skills. Satish Chandra Committee in 1992 recommended the compulsory paper in essay writing either in English or any of the Indian languages mentioned in the constitution. The whole purpose of bringing the essay paper into UPSC was to check the candidate's knack for comprehension, knack for critical analysis, knack for clarity of expression, assimilation of ideas, and his or her quality of integrated thinking. But today, after 30 years, do you think this objective of bringing essay into UPSC still holds good? Given the dynamic trend of UPSC, the answer is yes. We have the similar objective defined in our UPSC directive that says candidates are required to write on multiple topics. They are expected to keep closely to the subject of the essay, to write concisely. Credit will be given for effective and exact expression. But there is a difference. This objective was tested on simpler GS topics previously, but today the objective has been tested on opinion-based topics, that is philosophical topics, and this remains a challenge with most of the aspirants today. In this scenario, while on one side, some of the students every year do have the knack of scoring high in this UPSC exam, UPSC essay paper particularly. Our course enrolled students Chaitanya Giri, rank 117, scored 134 marks in the UPSC essay paper. Other students, Rajat Tripathi, Katyayani Singh, Prakhya, Nilay Suresh, they have also scored good in the essay paper. But on the other side, some of the students really struggle with just scoring average marks. Year on year, they're stuck in the 80s or 70s and they're clueless where they're going wrong. So why is this happening? What is the reason for this difference? First is lack of right guidance. That means the student is investing his or her time in essay preparation, writing test, and doing whatever it takes to score good in this paper, but that is not getting translated into marks in UPSC. Second is lack of reliable evaluation. That means the student is getting only standard feedback which is applying to all. He or she is not getting personalized feedback. He or she is not getting aspirant specific feedback. And if the student is not getting aspirant specific feedback, then the student never knows about the lacunas and he or she remains ignorant as to where to improve. Last but not the least, the trend has been shifting towards philosophical topics, as you know, and this is the main issue with the students. The students are seen still writing in the same old fashion using the pestle approach, and this is not working after 2016-17 particularly. Again, there is seen lack of coherence, lack of organic linkage between the dimensions. They're just writing an elaborated GS answer. So there needs to be change in approach both from the students and evaluator side in order to cater to the demand of the UPSC that is changing. Therefore, we bring you the essay Marks Improvement Program that will take care of all your concerns in the essay. Firstly, I must tell you that there is no shortcut to hard work. Thorough GS preparation is the only key to score good in essay paper. But that is not enough. There is also need of value addition to your essay in order to have an upper edge over others. So this will be taken care in our course module. Say how there will be 8 hours of pre-recorded lectures which will cover all the nuances of essay writing as to how to make introduction, how to conclude the essay, how to maintain the flow and coherence in the essay, how to generate the thesis and antithesis, etc. Again, Marks Improvement Booklet will be given to you, which is the most sought after preparation material for the essay because it has got unique examples, anecdotes, quotations, poems, movie references, etc. In fact, our student Chaitanya Giri, rank 117, who scored 134 marks, made short notes out of it just before the exam and wrote it in the essay paper. There will be live workshop where you can come and write on a topic in a test-like environment, and the question will be asked on the previously asked UPSC theme only. And the whole point of conducting such workshop that you can ask me anything related to hiccups you just found while writing the test. Also from my side, I shall be telling you that how to generate the macro dimensions, the micro dimensions for the particular essay, very much away from the traditional pestle approach. Also, I shall be giving you set frameworks which can be used for any essay which can be asked from that particular theme. Then comes the climax. Even if the best content is ready with you, the real game lies in the implementation part. For that, you have to come and write the test in a test-like environment on a regular basis for the next 95 days and check whether you are able to implement those techniques which you learned from the classes in a test-like environment. So writing test is very, very important to train your mind and be exam ready. Then comes the assessment part. Now, I make sure that you get a reliable evaluation. There will be face-to-face evaluation for every test so that you are clarifying your doubts right in front of me. Again, there will be personalized feedback for every test, that too within 5 days, so that you are course correcting yourself, course correcting your mistakes for the next test itself. So I welcome you all for the live workshop that is going to be conducted after prelims. You can check out for all the details in the office. So see you soon.